Hi everyone, how's everyone doing? I'm gonna give a review on roasted peppers today on a sandwich that I made, which I got at a deli called Mario's Meat and Gourmet Deli. I'll give you the address down at the bottom. But I just want before I start, I hope everyone's doing good. And so I just want to get into it. I got roasted peppers and I made it, put it on Italian bread over here. I'll show you what it looks like. And this is the roasted peppers. And this is everything on here. I just called up the deli and asked them exactly do they put on the roasted peppers when they're cooking in it. And the guy told me peppers, olive oil, basil, and garlic. So everything on here that was made with the roasted peppers is vegan. And so the Italian bread is also vegan. My father got it at a mini supermarket called Angie's. I'll also put the address down. They have different types of vegan Italian breads there. So if you go there, if you're in the neighborhood, it's in Queens. But I'll give you the address down at the bottom. If you're ever in the area, you could stop by and ask them what Italian bread is vegan. They'll tell you. But this is supposed to be vegan. This Italian bread and everything on here. This roasted pepper, everything's vegan. So I'm going to tell you how it tastes. I had this in the past already, but I never gave a review on it. I'm going to tell you how good it is. It has nothing, like I'm just made a sandwich out to go show you because you don't need a vegan burger, you don't need vegan hot dogs. You could still make a sandwich out of a vegetable, out of something that has nothing to do with a burger or hot dogs or vegan cold cuts and stuff like that. So I'm going to give a review on what I think about eating this. So there's nothing on here besides I just put the roast peppers in between the bread and that was it. There's no butter, no nothing else besides what came with the roasted peppers. Like I said, olive oil, basil, and garlic's on here. So I'm going to give my review on it and tell you how good it is. And hopefully I like it. I usually do like it, so. All right, here we go. I couldn't get the whole bread. It was too big for me. But so far, whatever I got out of it, the peppers are good. The Italian bread is good. So it's really good. I think it's worth getting so far. I'm going to take one more bite. I would say it's delicious. It's really good. It's worth getting. There's no way about it. It's vegan and it's really good. If you could take the peppers, you like them. If you love peppers or whatever it is, I think it's worth getting. I'm sure a lot of people did this, already do it, but they don't. Most people eating this stuff isn't having it on the mind. It's vegan. They're just doing it because it's just they just like it. But most of the time, I think people put roasted peppers on their food that they put on. Let's say they have sausage or burger, whatever it is, then they put it on the roasted peppers on top of the sandwich. But I mean, I guess there's a percentage of people that do just eat it like this. I guess I don't know, but I eat it like this. I mean, I also put it on. I can't remember. I think I might have put it on deli, cold cuts, the vegan ones and stuff like that. But I don't remember. I might even put it on in the past. I might even put it on my vegan burger. I can't remember it. All right, so far it's really good. I'll take one more bite, three more bites, and I guess that's it. It's a short review. What this is going on 10, 15 minutes about it. Just after 2, 3 more bites, it's good. The Italian bread is really good. It's all seeds. The peppers, like I said, are delicious. It's really good. There's no. I think it's worth getting if you could take peppers. Some people don't like peppers or whatever reasons. Their stomach can't take it. But if you do eat peppers, this is good. These peppers are really good. If you're ever in the neighborhood, in Queens Middle Village, you could stop by there, deli, and ask for the roasted peppers. It's really, really good. And for whatever reason, you put them on, and how you use the roasted peppers on sandwiches to add to your other foods, or you just eat it like that. It's worth it. Eating like this is worth it. I'm going to see this pot thing. I'm going to take a bite of it, and I need to eat the bread to see how much I like it. Yeah, I think it's really, really good. I usually don't eat. I don't eat peppers. It's like I'm not crazy about peppers because I eat other things. I usually put, put it on other stuff, like I said, you know, vegan cold cuts or whatever else. But these will make good. So like if you get peppers somewhere, roasted peppers somewhere else, you may not like them as much. But these came out pretty good. The store knows how to, you know, make them pretty good. One more bite and I'll give it ratings. It's really good with the bread with all this. I think it tastes even much more better probably if you put, you know, if you put it on other foods too. It'll complement it. So I think this is a real thing, you know. I think this is really something you could get, and if you're vegan or not vegan, you could just eat it, which I'm sure most people are doing anyway. But I mean, if you, for vegans, like, you know, if they think they're having a problem, oh, how you gonna become a vegan? If there's nothing not to eat, this is one more thing to add to your list of eating or something. If you like peppers or roasted peppers. So my ratings so far right now, I would say, my ratings right now, I would say 3.5 stars. Just the peppers alone. Some people may give it less or more, but I say 3.5 stars. Very good, I would say. If I would get 4, some people may give it 4 stars. They'll say excellent. But I don't think, you know, I don't think no one's going to really say this. It's disgusting or it's really bad. I don't know, maybe. But the majority of people, I would say, would you know, estimate around what I'm doing. So that's, you know, that's my opinion. I thought it was worth getting and trying. It's just another thing to put out there, knowing you could eat this. And, you know, if you're looking to become vegan, or if you're already vegan, if you don't know about this, or you're just starting out to be vegan, this is another thing to put on your list. All right, so thank you for, you know, if you came this far, thank you for watching me, and hopefully you enjoyed it. And like I say, always think positive so you feel positive, and life will be much more better. All right, and if you're not subscribed to me yet, please subscribe, and you know, share this video to your friends if you like. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time. Well, I always say that. I won't see you, you'll see me. Okay, thank you. Bye for now.